Hello, how are we doing? Alright, so today we have another interesting video to share with us. Thank you to my friends, those who always check out on us. Thank you. For those that need to subscribe to my channel, please try and subscribe to my channel, and then don't forget to turn on the notification icon. Yeah, so that whenever I post my videos, you won't miss any of the updates. Okay. Alright, so today I have this video I want to share, but before I proceed to the main video, I would like to answer a question or to share with a suggestion someone made to me, because this live I'm having here uh is a video you guys should know very well if you have been following me here on this channel. And also I've taught you guys on how to plug it, but if you don't know how to, you can check out my next video, because I'll be showing it practically how I plugged my own. Okay, so in that video I made told you guys that if you want the navel of your newborn baby to fall within days, okay, that is germ free, you're not going to be afraid of any kind of infection or all that. So I implore you guys to use this in that video. And then someone suggested that I should please inform us, for those who want to try this, that we should first and foremost place it on the flame. It's not that there's something wrong if you don't place it, but it's just that you can't really get the juice you require if you don't place it on the flame, because this is so succulent that it can just easily break up. Okay, with this you can't get juice out of it. You can't get any juice out of it. It will be so tiny to get out of it. Okay, so the suggestion was to tell you guys to first place on the flame or drop it on your cooking pot. As in, when you cover your pot, the flame coming in from, just put it on top of the cover of that pot. Allow it to be there for some minutes, so that when you just press it, you're going to squeeze out the juice. That juice is actually what we needed for the navel. Just place it on the navel and you watch it, dry off, and it's gonna fall off so easily. And then if you the type that do have migraine headache, yes, please, you can as well be chewing this. Hmm? I can chew it anytime, any day. It's not bitter, not sour, but it has a good taste. Okay, not that it may not be really good with you, but I love the taste. If you know you have a kidney problem, kidney stone that is coming up newly, I will implore you to be using this. Okay, this thing has a lot of health benefit, but I'm going to stop here, but because I've treated a lot of it on this channel. Yeah, so why I'm here is because I just want to share something with you. Another I want to share with you is this. In case like if you have a business that is not moving on fine, okay, this is my local salt, sorry, my sea salt, and this thing, I want to show you how to use this too. I want to show you how to make use of these two things. So how do we use it? Before you try this, please make sure that business you are doing is a legal business. Don't do it for any kind of business, okay? And then I have some this is the lowest currency we have here in Nigeria. This is for 5 naira, and I have it like 5 of it. So sorry about the noise, okay? So sorry about the noise. This is for 5 naira in my currency, the lowest currency. I have like 5 of this, okay? So how am I going to do it? Get at least 5 of this or 3 of this. Okay, I have 5 of this here with me. I have a lot of this leaf in my backyard. Sorry, I have just a lot. Hmm? Bring this sea salt, drop it on this thing, on the leaf, not this thing. You have to drop it each on it. Hmm? After dropping it, on it, you are going to place it under the sun. Leave it under the sun. Hmm? You have to leave it under the sun the whole day. Then in the evening, when you're back from wherever you went to, squeeze it. Whichever juice you are going to bring out from it. Don't mind the background voice. The noise is much. Sorry about that. It's my location today. I don't really understand it, but please bear with me. You are going to use this 5 naira. It's just, you can say it's the lowest. It's the lowest. Okay. So the only liquid, sorry, the juice you're going to get from here, rub it here, or you can use your hand to rub on it. Because you are going to give this out. After rubbing on it, just go and give it out to beggars. But if you want to do it to 1000 naira note, which is the highest currency here in my country, after rubbing it here on the coin, on the money, you put it in your container where you drop your what is it called, your money, especially when you are into business, buying and selling. Understand? When you do put your money in one place, like some people used to have container or drawer where they put your money. So in businesses like that, when you are doing it to 1000 naira notes, after rubbing it, bring as many as fast from 3 upwards, you drop it there. It's going to attract more of that for 1000 naira. You will start selling if you don't sell before. But if you are doing it with this, you're going to give it out to beggars. Now give it out to one beggar, but make sure that person is a real beggar. So whatever's hatred, before you give it out, go around in your head. Whatever hatred that is following you, you are removing it out to wherever it's coming from. So this one is for hatred to go completely, or you can use 10 if you think that they tie you down somewhere, and that is why you are not progressing, because they always tie with 10 naira. That is what they always tie people with. You can just use this one as well to untie yourself. So either you use 10 naira, the second to the lowest denomination we have here, or you use 5 naira as the lowest. So but to attract customers, I think I have my 1000 naira notes here. All right, so you have to rub it and then drop it there for attraction of more money. So this is going to work for you. Give it a trial and come back and tell me how far you've gone. I'll be glad to hear your testimonies, because I'm a living testimony to this. So try this and come back to me and tell me how far. I will be glad to accept. I will be glad to say, oh wow, someone has a success story to tell because of Gracelinkherbal. Thank you so much for watching my video. I'll see you guys in my next video.